Here's how you can turn your sketches like this into this with Leonardo AI. Upload a base image of a fashion model and type the design details in the prompt. Select an artistic style and choose a color. Start sketching your basic design onto the model and watch your design render in real time. You can adjust the creativity strength for how much you want the AI to influence your sketch. Once you're happy with it, you can save the image and head over to image creation. Select a preset of your choice and upload the image as content reference to keep the composition. Select Describe with AI to translate how the image looks into a prompt, so you don't even have to write anything. Now, we can easily see a photorealistic render. To ideate different designs, colors, or use different fabric choices, upload a style reference for additional control. Edit the prompt with AI and use natural language to ask for what you want. The prompt will change in the right context, and now you've got realistic concepts rendered from a simple sketch. Quick and detailed ideating.